Hello everybody, back with another video. Today we're playing a new Story of Rain World. It's called The Watcher. Now, this just came out. I have no insight whatsoever. I did play it a bit just to see like what's happening. I didn't really go far, but I'm totally going into this blind, so it'll definitely be an experience for sure. What do we got here? We got a little story playing through, and this little guy it looks like he's about to throw a rock at somebody. Don't know what's happening, but we're here. We're in for it. I guess he's alone? I don't know. Alrighty. Oh, what's this? Okay then. This is actually as I'm playing this, it's raining outside where I'm at, so it's actually kind of quite the setting to play this in. Hydroponics. Okay. What's up here? Oh look a little lizard up there. Let's go pay him a visit. Oh, took off. Oh, I think he's coming back. Oh, there's a berry up there. Oh. Let's see if I can grab this. Oh my goodness. Alright, got it. Okay, let's not go that way. Okay, he's gone. Oh, it appears there's a shelter right there. Have to keep that in mind. Alright. What we got here? Noodle fly flying about. Oh, it appears there's a berry down there. Okay. Oh! Dub, I got his mask. He's pissed though. Oh no! Yeah! He is pissed. Oh my gosh! Dude, he's trailing after me. Yeah, get him. I think he's cooked. Yeah, he's cooked, bro. That's the first. I've never seen that happen before. The lizard just took out a vulture. He has quite a meal. And I got a nice shiny mask. Ooh, there's a little flower down there. Don't mind if I do. Ooh! Ooh! Gosh darn it, bruh. Well, that's a start. Didn't even get to hibernate once. We're back here again. Okay. Hey, at least I got a spear this time. Oh, look, a white lizard coming for my tail. He's going downward. I wonder what's down. Okay. We might be able to snag one of those babies. Oh, he's pissed. And there is a spear right there that I'm about to nick him with. Just like that, he's dead. Just to make sure. This is a good snack we got here. Sorry I have to eat you, baby. Come back, come back. Dang. He's gone like the wind. See if I can eat him. Yum, yum, yum. Sounds like a... Shoot. It sounds like one of those balloons you used to blow up as a kid. And you, like, let it go. And it, like... It's like a torpedo or something. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know what they're called, but... That's what it sound like. Okay. We got a nice green friendly lizard coming our way. Okay, he's right here. Okay. No bad vulture. Good thing we got out of there. Oh, hey, look, there's one of those things. They're called squidcadas. Oh no, not again. The vulture strikes again. Alright, we just need to get over here. I think we should be chilling. guy dead or what? He appears to stop flying. Okay, no, he came back to life, guys. We're chilling. Oh my gosh, we're right back to where we were in the beginning. I think. I do believe so. Golly. I need to make it over there somehow, and I feel like this plant's alive. This pole over here. Let's see. No, it's not. Oh, we need to get up here though. Bummer. Shoot, we have no time left. Oh no. Not again. I can't die again. Dude, I think I'm cooked. Why are you mad at me? What did I do? Gosh darn it. Man, F you. There we go. We're screwed, bro. Well, it was nice knowing you guys. That's butt cheeks. Wow. Just got massaged by the rain to death. That's nice. Wow. That's what Killer Rain looks like, guys. I literally was massaged to death by rain. Bro, I swear, guys, I'm not this bad. I'm not this bad at this game. Alright. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. You know, I found out those blueberries are actually, they're eggs. Screw you. Let's go over here. Boop. 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 I want this berry back here. Or this egg. That's a bat fly egg, I guess. Oh, I hear something coming this way. Yeah, it's a big old friendly lizard. He's coming after me. He's streamlining towards me. They can't climb though, so I'm chilling. What up, bro? Yeah. Oh my gosh. I want this berry. Thank you. Nom nom nom. Jump on the pole away from the scary thing with giant teeth. Actually, gotta get a little bit closer. Make this jump. Well, I still didn't make the jump. Man. Maybe let's go a little bit higher this time. Boop. There we go. Let's eat this power flower. Oh, I forgot about you, bro. Oh my god, not again. I'm cutting that out. I'm cutting this out. This whole experience out. Dude, I can't believe I just got twice. Again, bro. Alright, speed run. Boop. Boop. You know what? Dude, I'm just gonna go back down here. Ow. Just broke my ankle. Oh, hello guys. You need to come this way. Okay. Yoink. Okay. I need a spear. Yes, I do. This blue guy is coming after me. Oh. He has a snack. Boop, 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 boop. Do 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 do. Oh my gosh, there's lizards and bugs fighting each other. This thing is trying to protect its babies. Oh my gosh. Let me, wish I had a spear. Okay. The duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bup, 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 got any grapes? There's a freaking bug up there. I feel it in my bones." I knew it. I freaking knew it. I had to stab him. He tried to touch me. And I said swipe or no swiping. Oh man. I want to see if I can eat you. Can I? No, I can't. Yep, go back down there. Ooh! Let me pass. No. Oh, dude. Bro, what is that red thing, bruh? Come on, bring it on, sucker. Bring it on. That's right, you don't want none of this smoke. I know this guy does. Look at him. Trying to blend in with his big old smile. You can see. That's right. I told you not to mess with me. I told you. You got stabbed right in your freaking gullet. I don't even know if that's a word. I'm pretty sure it is. Num num num. Num num num. Do a barrel roll. Ha ha ha. Why you took my spears? Yeah, that's right. You can't have my spears. Come at me, bro. Come at me. That's right. You can't. Can't even climb up a freaking twig. That's right. I'm back here again, finally. Think there's any evil killer bugs over here trying to freaking blend in with the ceiling. Dude, there's that karma flower. What in the age? Holy moly, bro. You almost got me again. Ain't no way you're coming back up here. Ain't no way you're coming back up here, blood. Holy cow, almost got struck by lightning. Off camera. What if that picked up on the mic? Oh, look at you. Thinking you're all slick and stuff. Come at me. You don't want none of this. Just turn around. That's what's up. Turn around. I know you want to. Yep, turn back around. Oh my gosh, bro. I told you to turn around! Bro. He's coming, bro. They're coming. I'm gonna stick it. I'm gonna stick him. I'm gonna stick him, bro. I'm taking these. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, close. Bro, if this thing is in here with me, I'm gonna be so pissed. Bro. Get away. Okay. That was a close one. He is pissed. I repeat, he is pissed. But don't worry. We've made it. He is slowly making his way back over here. Screw you. La. That's right. I told you like 3 times, but you didn't listen. I didn't want to have to come to this, but that's what happens. That's what happens when you mess with me. Just gotta stick it to you, huh? Pun intended. Oh my goodness. Yeah, go right back up there. I actually need to go up there myself. You better not come down, bro. Yeah, go back up there. Bro, stop playing these games with me, bro. Stop playing these games with me, bro. Bro, I literally clicked pick up spear and throw spear. Bro. It's alright, it's alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's what you get. That's what you freaking get again, bro. I was having a heart attack over here. Well, that just means I gotta freaking hibernate again. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Just let me get my food in peace. Alright, let me pick up this spear and this rock. This guy don't want the smoke. This guy does not want the smoke. Wait a minute. I think there's a shelter up here, if I'm not mistaken. With a big old nice juicy power flower in that thing. Yes. That is what's up. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get food for the next run. Because it's right there. Yoink. Bro, I'm about to cut this into multiple episodes, as you already know it. Sleep, sleep. Yes. Yes. Num num num. Num num num. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, Spear, for being right here. Yo! Alright, we need to pull your freaking body out the way. Alright, there we go. Now we can freaking get access to this. I swear, bro, there's too many mini heart attacks. I wonder if I can get one of these. Nope. Oh, nope. I deserve that. Yep. Okay, I'm getting out of here. What? They go through the freaking portal with you? Alright, that's enough. Oh my goodness. That's lovely. Well, I need 2 of these. I'm quite screwed if that thing finds out about my whereabouts, and I think it already did. Okay, I need to run. Oh, I'm screwed. I am so screwed, bro. Hi, lizard. Oh, bro, come on. Am I alive still? Nope, I'm dead. Lovely. Dude, this is hard. I played a little bit last time. It was not this hard. I gotta get my power flower back. Alright. Bro, this is not fair. Thing's already coming after me, bro. Bro, this guy needs to make up his mind. What? Bro, why did that go right through your freaking tail, bro? Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked, bro. Okay, maybe I'm not cooked. Okay, maybe I am cooked. Okay, eat this. Oh my gosh. I need to go up there, bro, but it's freaking guarded. Bro. Bro, die. Oh, I'm so screwed. Yeah. Okay, take that. Take that thing away from me, bro. Take it as food. As a peace offering. I just need to get up here. Yo! Oh my gosh, bro. Make up your mind. Okay, get up. Go, 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 go. Dude, I swear he can smell me. Okay. Get up in here, bro. Alright, we're chilling. Killed 3 lizards that round, bro. 3. Alright. I need to get some food so I can go on to the next place. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Just come on through. Make up your mind, bro. Can you make up your mind? Okay, there we go. Oh, this just keeps getting better and better. Well, shoot. Okay. Hardcore parkour. Okay, run, 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 run. Grab spear that's up here. I need to go over there, bro, because there's food. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, killed one of these guys earlier. Let's see if I have a high enough karma level to get through here. Hopefully I do. I don't believe I do. I had to snag that berry real quick. Oh, I do. Nice. Alright, once I hibernate, that will be the end of this episode, and I'll be filming another one here shortly. I'm gonna do some backflips for the camera. Holy cow. Wow. He has freaking heat-seeking spikes on him. That's great. I'll collect these. Alright, we did it. We made it to Chimney Canopy. Alright, and I think the next episode we should be to 5 pebbles. Alrighty. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.